Good morning. Today I had a client reach out to me about a really particular custom reminder system that she wants help building. So I decided rather than trying to explain it to her, I would just do this video and then pop it into her sub account for her. So let's get started. So this client says, I am trying to create an automation for my 5-day singing challenge that sends out a reminder text at 8 a.m. And if they respond to that text with the name of a song they sang and post the song emotion, then it does not send out the 7 p.m. text, which is for those that did not respond to the first one. Okay, so let's go ahead and build this out. So first things first, we're going to build this as a wait, and we're going to have this be a time delay, but we're going to go advanced, and we're going to make sure we choose Monday through Friday, and we're going to do exact 8 a.m., okay? So 8 a.m., Monday through Friday, people will move through this next step. So the next step is she wants to send a text message. Okay, so we're just going to do reminder. She can fill out the particulars of this text message, okay? Then we're going to do another wait. And this time we're going to do a wait for contact reply to this text message, and we're going to do a timeout. Okay, so she said at 7 p.m. she wants people to get a text. She wants people to get the text if they don't respond. Right? Text with the name of the song they sang. Then it does not send out the 7 p.m., which is for those that did not respond. Okay, so 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., that is 11 hours. So we're going to do an 11-hour timeout. So we're waiting for the reply. After 11 hours, if they have not replied, we're going to send them another text message. We're just going to have this be another reminder, and we'll have her go in and fill this out. But if they did reply, what do I want? I just want them to go through this again tomorrow. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do a go to here. And then same with this one. We're going to do a go to, and we're going to go to there. So now let's step through this. So we're going to wait. Say it's Sunday afternoon. Monday morning, 8 a.m. happens. Boom. All 10 people that are sitting at this wait stage are going to move to this stage, and it's going to send out this text blast. After it sends out the text blast, it's going to move to this stage, and it's going to wait for them to reply. If after 11 hours they have not replied, it's going to send them another text message, and then loop back around and wait until Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. If they do reply to this text message, it's gonna loop them around, and they're gonna sit here until Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. And this will continue to loop, and if they reply, it won't send out the second one, but if they do reply, it'll send out the second message. So we're gonna go ahead and save this, but now there was a follow-up question to this. And the follow-up question was, how do I get people into this? How do I do this? So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna create another workflow. We're going to start from scratch, and we're going to do this one as a form submitted. We're going to say anyone that submits the form for, say the free book giveaway. If anyone submits this form, then we're going to add them to a workflow, and we're going to add them to that custom reminder, and we're going to pass the input trigger parameters. So now anytime someone fills out that form, boom, they get popped into that reminder sequence. And you could have this be whatever trigger you want. You could have this trigger be when they pay something. If they say that reminder system is part of a subscription service. So then, you would come in here and you would say new trigger, and we're going to scroll down here to payments, and we're going to do subscription, and we're going to say global product is this one, and add a new filter, and the status is active. So now a new subscription has been created. Boom, they're going to get added into that workflow to be able to go get reminders. You could have all kinds of other things. So another trigger that you could have on here would be, customer replied. Say someone wants those reminders, and so you set it up to be a text message. So what you're going to do is you're going to say the reply channel is SMS, and the exact phrase match is reminder. Okay, so now when someone texts the word reminder, boom, they're going to get added into that workflow. Now, so this is one way of doing it. You could just add them into the workflow because you have a whole ton of other things that you got to do, or you could just put that trigger at the top of that reminder sequence that we just created a few minutes ago. The possibilities are kind of endless. So there you go. There's how to create a custom reminder for a daily text message that also waits if they reply, and then if they don't reply, sends them another reminder later, but continues on in the sequence every day, Monday through Friday. So be sure to like and subscribe. Hit me up with any questions in the comments, and if you're interested in GoHighLevel and you want to be able to build something like this for you in your business, go ahead and click the link below for a free 2-week trial, and let's get you started. We'll see you the next time.